Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will have an advanced look at the image element in HTML. So we will just extend our knowledge about the image element in HTML. So let's get started. Before doing so, please make sure you have some sort of image. I have inside of this assets folder, I have that thumbnail image, right? So yeah, just make sure you have an image. All right, so after that, let's go here and we will create the image element, and inside of the source we can do the assets, and then we can do the thumbnail.png. Okay, now we can provide an alt attribute as well inside of the image element. When this URL for some reason is not correct, then the alt attribute will show, and the text inside of the alt attribute will show. So like a YouTube DUBE. Okay, so this much we know. Now optionally what we can do, we can add a title attribute as well. So let's do that, title, and I can just copy paste this one, and I will show you that what happened. So title, okay, all right. So this is the title, and here the title is this. Okay, now if I go to the browser, okay, so this is the browser and this is the image which we have. Now as you can see, when I hover over the image, there is a small type of a like a pop-up which says like a YouTube video thumbnail. What does this mean? That means this is showing this title. Okay, now recently we can use the figure and the fig caption for the images as well. So let's see how we can do that. So what we can do, we can create a figure element, figure, and inside of that what I can do, I can just cut this image element and paste it out here, and let's go under it, and we can add a caption for our image as well, and I will show you how that looks basically, and we can style it. So let's do fig caption. Okay, and inside of that we can do something like figure 1 my YouTube video thumbnail, something like that. Okay, just save it out, and what we can do, we can go to the browser, and as you can see there is nothing changed. This is the image which we have, but here we are showing our caption as well. So this is the fig caption and the figure element. So with the help of that we can use the image element, or we can use some other like the media elements as well, something like the audio and the video, which I have currently a demo audio and the video, which we will definitely discuss in the upcoming videos. All right, so this is a little bit of the advanced look at the image element in HTML.